how to turn on or turn off keyboard suggest stickers, emoji pairs, AI emoji, Emoji talk on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on General Management. After that, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Then we go down and tap on Suggest Stickers while typing. And in here, you can choose to turn on or turn off emoji pairs by tapping on the toggle button, or AI emoji. So tap on the toggle button to turn on or turn off AI emoji, as well as Emoji talk. So tap on the toggle button to switch it on. When you tap on Emoji talk to turn it on, it says we need to confirm and agree to the platform privacy policy. So tap on continued. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.